The Ensemble Musikfabrik Music Factory Ensemble is an ensemble for contemporary classical music located in Cologne. Their official name is Ensemble Musikfabrik Landesensemble NRW. The Ensemble Musikfabrik of the state of North Rhine-Westphalia. Registered Association. Overview. Ensemble Musikfabrik was founded in 1990 and is regarded as one of the leading ensembles for contemporary music. As the name suggests, Musikfabrik is especially dedicated to artistic innovation. New and in the medial form unknown works that they have often commissioned their actual production area. The results of this work, frequently in a close collaboration with the composers, are presented by the ensemble of international soloists in 80 to 100 concerts a year in Germany and abroad in festivals and in their own world premiere series Musikfabrik in WDR, along with regular radio and CD productions. The Ensemble Musikfabrik is supported by the state of North Rhine-Westphalia. History. They gave their debut under the name Ensemble Neue Musik North Rhine-Westphalen, the 28th of April 1991, at the Wittener Tage für Neue Kammermusik, Witten Days for New Chamber Music. The formation of the ensemble took place at the end of 1990. The founders of the ensemble, Bernhard Huambach, Nikolaus A. Huber, and Gerhard Stabler, and the designated conductor and artistic director Johannes Kalitzka selected and summoned almost 20 musicians and presented the proposed project. Most of the musicians present were excited about the idea of forming a full-time professional ensemble that would be working on contemporary music and programs in close collaboration with composers. Since 1997, the ensemble has organized itself and made all important artistic decisions within its own ranks. The emphasis shifted then from North Rhine-Westphalian composers to a more international focus. Founded after the Amsterdam ASCO Ensemble, formed 1965, the London Sinfonietta, 1968, the Schoenberg Ensemble, Den Haag, 1974, Ensemble Intercontemporain, Paris, 1976, Ensemble Modern, Frankfurt, 1980, Klangforum Wien, Vienna, and Freiburg's Ensemble Recherche, both 1985. Ensemble Musikfabrik is one of the youngest leading new music ensembles in the world. In 2003, Ensemble Musikfabrik moved from Düsseldorf to Cologne, thanks to generous support from the Kunststiftung NRW, WDR, West German Radio, and Cologne Music. Musikfabrik has now a highly successful world premiere concert series Musikfabrik in WDR. Musikfabrik prepares for these concerts and for other projects in the new domicile in the KOMED building in Media Park, Cologne, where they moved in the summer of 2008. Profile. The musicians of Ensemble Musikfabrik have collaborated with both the younger generation of conductors, composers, directors and choreographers as well as the more renowned ones. The guest list of the ensemble includes Marc-André, Louis Andriessen, Stefan Asbury, Sir Harrison Birtwistle, Unt Suchin, Peter Eotvos, Brian Fernie Howe, Heiner Goebbels, Toshio Hosokawa, Michael Yarrail, Mauricio Kagel, Helmut Lachenmann, David Lang, Liza Lim, Benedict Mason, Mouse on Mars, Carlos Padrisa, La Fura dels Baus, Emilio Pomerico, Anno Popper, Wolfgang Rihm, Peter Rundle, Rebecca Saunders, Karl-Heinz Stockhausen, Ilan Volkov and Sasha Waltz. The experimentation and implementation with modern forms of communication, experimental electronics, dance, theater, film, literature, and creative arts broaden the conventional form of a conducted ensemble concert along with chamber music and the frequent confrontation with works that have an open form and include improvisation, lecture, discussion, concerts, and experimenting with a concert form that allows the integration of audience participation belong to these ideas. Members: Helen Bledsoe, flute; Carl Rosman, clarinet; Peter Veal, oboe; Alban Wesley, bassoon; Christine Chapman, horn; Marco Blayauf, trumpet; Bruce Collings, trombone; Melvin Paul, tuba, sound; Benjamin Kobiller, piano; Ulrich Loeffler, piano; Dirk Rothbrust, percussion; Judith Heberlin, violin; Hannah Weirich, violin; Axel Poroth, viola; Dirk Wyethiger, violoncello. Website of the ensemble.